Residential window replacement in Murray UT can transform comfort, curb appeal, and efficiency with energy-efficient windows Murray UT, double-pane replacement windows Murray, and low-E glass windows designed for Utah weather. Homeowners looking for home window replacement in Murray, home window upgrade, or Murray Utah home improvement windows benefit from insulated windows Murray Utah, modern window designs, and custom replacement windows Murray UT that improve performance in every season, especially when paired with patio doors Murray for a complete exterior upgrade. Patio door replacement Murray and sliding patio doors are a smart upgrade for homes needing smoother access, better insulation, and stronger security. Patio doors Murray UT, sliding patio door installation Murray, custom patio doors Murray UT, and entry patio door systems help create seamless indoor-outdoor living, while glass replacement for patio doors Murray and patio door glass replacement Murray keep existing systems functional and attractive. Replacement door and window specialists can also recommend weatherproof window installation Murray for long-lasting durability. Window installation Murray Utah should be handled by Murray window installation experts and Murray UT window contractors who understand custom window fitting, window retrofit solutions, and new construction windows for both remodels and additions. Full-service window contractors provide house window services, residential glazing services Murray Utah, and replacement window company Murray support for projects ranging from vinyl window replacement Murray Utah to window frame replacement and seal and frame installation. Affordable window replacement Murray Utah is available for homeowners seeking quality without compromising craftsmanship, along with patio doors Murray options that enhance both function and style. Energy-efficient windows, insulated glass units, and low-E window replacement Murray UT are ideal for reducing drafts and improving temperature control in residential properties across Murray, Utah. Residential window replacement Murray window installation Murray Utah, and insulated windows Murray Utah offer measurable benefits, especially when paired with professional seal and frame installation, residential glazing services, and window frame installation Murray Utah. These upgrades are especially valuable for older homes needing reliable weatherproof window installation Murray. Glass door replacement, patio door replacement, and residential door and window services Murray give homeowners access to complete solutions from door and window specialists. Whether the project involves window replacement contractors, window installation, vinyl window replacement, or residential window replacement Murray, the right team can deliver precise results for any home exterior upgrades. From patio door replacement Murray to window upgrade Murray Utah, these improvements elevate property value, comfort, and style throughout Murray. Replacement window contractors in Murray UT make a major difference when a home needs lasting performance, better comfort, and stronger curb appeal. Full-service window contractors can handle residential window replacement, home window replacement in Murray, and custom replacement windows Murray UT with a process built around accurate measurements, clean installation, and durable results. Whether the project involves house window services, window frame replacement, or a complete home window upgrade, choosing Murray window installation experts helps ensure the finished look matches the home exterior upgrades already in place across Murray Utah home improvement windows projects. Energy-efficient windows are one of the smartest upgrades for homeowners seeking lower utility costs and better indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows Murray UT, low-E glass windows, insulated glass units, and double-pane window replacement all help reduce heat transfer while improving year-round performance. For homes needing insulated windows Murray Utah or low-E window replacement Murray UT, the right solution can also support noise reduction and improved UV protection. From residential glazing services Murray Utah to window retrofit solutions, these upgrades are ideal for homes in Murray where weather swings make energy savings a priority. Residential window replacement. Murray homeowners choose often includes vinyl window replacement, window frame installation Murray Utah, and affordable window replacement Murray Utah for practical, long-lasting value. Vinyl window replacement Murray Utah is popular because it resists moisture, requires little maintenance, and works well for many styles of homes. When a property needs seal and frame installation, replacing damaged components can restore efficiency without sacrificing appearance. For older homes or remodels, custom window fitting and modern window designs can bring a cleaner finish while supporting the performance expected from today's replacement window company Murray services. Sliding patio door installation. Murray is a strong option for homes that want easier access to outdoor living spaces and improved functionality. Patio door replacement. Murray and sliding patio doors can refresh a dated opening with smoother operation, better insulation, and improved style. Homeowners searching for patio doors. Murray UT. Patio door replacement. Murray or custom patio doors. Murray UT often want entry patio door systems that blend indoor comfort with exterior access. When glass door replacement or patio door glass replacement. Murray is needed. Experienced door and window specialists can match the existing design while improving performance. Window installation. Murray Utah projects often require precision, especially when homeowners want new construction windows or window retrofit solutions that fit the existing structure. Residential window replacement. Murray and window installation. Murray Utah services can include full-service window contractors who manage removal, fitting, sealing, and cleanup. For properties needing house window services, residential glazing services, or seal and frame installation, quality workmanship matters as much as product selection. Murray Utah home improvement windows should be installed by teams that understand weatherproof window installation, custom window fitting, and long-term durability in local conditions. Window upgrade. Murray Utah services are especially valuable when homeowners want a better look without a full remodel. Modern window designs, new construction windows, and home exterior upgrades can instantly improve the appearance of a property while also enhancing comfort. Replacement window contractors in Murray can recommend insulated glass units, double-pane replacement windows. Murray, and energy-efficient windows. Murray UT for a balanced mix of style and function. For those comparing options, residential door and window services. Murray can include both replacement window company Murray Solutions and specialized glass replacement for patio doors. Murray. Patio door replacement. Murray and sliding patio doors are ideal for homeowners who want a brighter, more open connection to the backyard or patio doors. Murray Lifestyle. Glass replacement for patio doors. Murray and glass door replacement can solve cracked panes, fogged glass, or outdated units without requiring a complete redesign. Homeowners looking for patio door glass replacement. Murray or sliding patio door installation. Murray often want better operation and stronger thermal performance. With custom patio doors. Murray UT, the result can be both attractive and practical for daily use and seasonal comfort. Residential glazing services. Murray Utah support homes that need more than standard replacements. These services can include insulated glass units, window frame replacement, seal and frame installation, and low-E glass windows for improved efficiency. When a property needs residential glazing services. Murray Utah, the goal is to restore clarity, safety, and insulation while maintaining the original character of the home. Murray window installation experts can also help with weatherproof window installation. Murray and residential window replacement. Murray so the home stays protected through changing weather and temperature shifts. For homeowners searching for window installation. Murray Utah, patio door replacement. Murray, or residential window replacement. Murray, the best results come from matching the right product to the right opening. A skilled replacement window company. Murray can recommend vinyl window replacement. Murray Utah, custom replacement windows. Murray UT, and energy-efficient windows. Murray UT based on the home's needs. From window frame installation. Murray Utah to affordable window replacement. Murray Utah, the right solution improves comfort, style, and efficiency while supporting long-term value across Murray UT window contractors and residential door and window services. Murray, including high-quality patio doors. Murray for a complete upgrade.